Hey guys, welcome to RR Guitar Community. My name is Eric and this video is an exercise template for chord changes. So the idea behind this exercise template is to take any two chords that you're struggling with of any song whatsoever, isolate them and try and reduce the time it takes you to change between those two chords. Once you've done that for the first two chords, you move on to the next two chords and you do the entire exercise all over again. Alright guys, so choose any two chords that you're struggling with, and what we're going to do is we're going to take those two chords, you're going to play the first chord, you're going to hold it for 4 beats, then we're going to take another 4 beats, which is going to give you time to change to your next chord. So in those 4 beats you have to start putting your fingers into the shape of the next chord, then on the 1 of the next bar you're going to play the next chord. You're going to hold it again for 4 beats, and then we're going to take another 4 beats to change back to the first chord. Then we're going to repeat a couple of times. After that, we're going to move to 3 beats in between, so you're only going to have 3 beats to change to the next chord. After that, we're going to reduce it again to 2 beats, and again to 1 beat, and eventually to no beats at all. If you're a little bit confused with the way I explained this, don't worry, you can follow the on-screen annotations and they should help you. You can also skip to any section of this video by clicking on the time codes in the description. Let's give it a shot.
Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, 4, strum, change, 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 strum. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, 3, strum, change, 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 strum. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 2, strum, change, 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 strum. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, change, 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 strum, 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 change, strum. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, strum, 2, 3, 4, strum, 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 strum.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe for more content.
You can also ring that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified whenever we release a new video.
Which is at least once a week.
Click over here to check out our next video.
Click over here to visit our channel for videos of song tutorials, techniques, full courses, and gear reviews.
We also goof around occasionally with some fun challenges.
Click over here to visit our website.
We have monthly competitions and giveaways,
And in the near future, we'll have user profiles with unlockable achievements
full educational courses with skill trees.
and personal skill verification with live feedback.
Thanks for being part of our guitar community.
See you next time.